Hello, my people. How una dey? Welcome to my channel. Now your girl BB. Now me bring this matter. So, I want to say sorry. Say I never been come for some time. I know day. I know I dey do some other work. So now today, waiting I bring the matter when I bring me with touchlight. Now matter wey be say you go dey for relationship. This one no mean whether na only man or na woman. If he be man, if he be woman, relationship wey be say the other person anger too much. As you know, says now time hard. As times hard like this, some people they carry their frustration they put on their partner. When they go, they frustrated, they go come put them for your body. So it no matter whether a man or being a woman, na in this story, this thing they for. My talk, waiting at the talk, waiting with the touchlight today now, abusive relationship. Men nothing for this one make you stay with person where they abuse you. Physically, mentally, or anything. Look, anybody, if you agree to stay with somebody when they abuse you, somebody where they make you look small, make you feel like say you no be anything in this world. If you agree to stay with that person, it means say you no love yourself. Ma tell you, this life when we dey so, the person where you want stay with, now person where be say, if they encourage you, they make you they see yourself like human being. Person where be say, they judge you. Every small thing you do in judge you. Every small thing you do in judge you. You want to stay with person where be say, he love you, he they advise you. If you do something way bad, he go reprimand you, but he go still cancel you, tell you say this thing where you do no good. No be person where be say you go stay, they abuse you from head to toe. They abuse you, they beat you, they do you anyhow. No, they respect you, they disgrace you for public. You go stay there. Now, plenty women, they inside abusive relationship because they no one go. Now, what is that they call comfort zone? The devil I know is better than the angel I do not know. Make you no stay inside abusive relationship. If you dey inside abusive relationship, can't they think say go better? You know go better, you go graduate to the worst. You need to give yourself value. You need to know say you self you get value for yourself. If you enter relationship where they beat you anyhow, they insult you anyhow, they make you, they feel look yourself like human being. They make you the day small. Make you know say that relationship no be relationship when you supposed to. Make you know say it good make you waka go start all over again. The problem with women be say we know they like start all over again. Even with men, a lot of them know they agree start all over again. But ma tell you something. Make you no ever dey for relationship wey be say na abusive relationship. When you do that, you dey make yourself look really, really small. You dey make yourself look really, really small. And na waiting I no want for anybody. Now, some men they dey like this. Woman go insult them from morning till night. Woman they insult you. They sometimes some men, women they slap them. Woman go make you go feel small because you no get money. A woman go look down on you. You go come like this. He go they size you from head to toe. And they look down on you. You go they beg them. Say money go come, make una go marry. Now, later when you marry them, the money no come as quickly as possible. This woman will frustrate your life. Make you know say there's one woman somewhere will love you even without money. Sometimes if you be say some men they get women will love them. And the ones we no love them their own that they go after the one when they love. See, it no good make love they one side. Oh. If you not say they relationship where we say they love they one side, may you not say they do yourself bad thing. It no good. You go enter relationship where we say somebody love you for who you are and want to stay with you. And no go they insult you, they make you no say some women like this, when they get up in the morning, they go prepare food. Wake their husband, honey. It's time for you to go and hustle. Honey, it is well with you. Honey, they will pray for their husband. The husband will go out with good heart, with happiness, and he go achieve something. But when you wake up for morning like this, woman, they frown face for you. Woman, no, they greet you. Woman, they always do like say you no do rich. No matter how much you struggle. You go struggle, bring 1,000 naira, 3,000 naira. Woman go still insult you on top. Make you not say no be that relationship get you. You not supposed to for that kind of relationship. So when go stay, man go beat you, tell you sorry. Man go beat you, tell you sorry. See, if anything happen to you, now you it happen to. You don't see what happened to Osinachi. Not be the children don't remain. Even though she get twin sister, no matter, there's nobody will go take care of Pikin passing mama. Osinachi na she be dey make the money. Osinachi na she be anything. The reason why she stay inside that relationship na I no fit talk. Until today, if I tell you say the way I feel about that woman's death, the thing dey pain me. Make you no stay inside abusive relationship. Make nothing for this world make you stay inside abusive relationship. If you know say you dey inside abusive relationship, look for work wey you go do. Whether na to dey go sweep road, make you go sweep road. Find way comot for that relationship. Because if anything happen to you, if you get children and your children lose, no be you. Now this story I bring come touch light. You know say this channel na relationship channel. Now we dey take pidgin English dey talk so that people no go say na grammar too much. Okay, I beg you, as you just dey listen, I beg make una no dey watch videos, make una no subscribe. Now I beg, make you just hit that subscribe button. I say thank you so much, yo. I say thank you, I beg. Until I come for another gist again. Thank you.